Neil Williams here, president of Turnkey Parlor. We buy and sell ice cream machines. Wanted to show you, this is an Electro Freeze SL500, three-phase water cooled. And I just wanted to show you something I found interesting. You would think all three handles would be the same on a particular machine, that a manufacturer wouldn't want to make the middle handle longer, but that's the case. This middle handle is a little bit longer. So if you mix them up, you'll have a lot of trouble getting the handles on, if you can even get them on. I haven't tried that, but what happens is you can get one of the shorter handles in the middle, and when you pull that handle, it pops out because it's too short. So, yeah. Just a quick little video today to tell you if you buy a used Electro Freeze SL500 and you go through the cleaning process, just make sure that you realize that that middle handle is a tiny bit longer, okay? All right, thanks.